Everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Person Soapy. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support, cooperation, help, feedback, nice feedback, your guidelines. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some beautiful exclusive collections only for you, pure handloom one. So let me display. Very nice one, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is pure handloom soft silk with weaving border, and full base part is beautiful golden and silver zari weaving butta design. Very nice one. This one is full base part, soft lightweight, based for your office wear, very comfortable one. And this one is border portions, beautiful fine weaving design border, elegant color also. This one is full base part, golden and silver zari fine weaving butta, and very soft comfortable one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari fine stripes pallu, very smart elegant looks. This one is full base part, beautiful weaving butta design, very elegant color. This one is full base part, silver and golden zari weaving work, and this one is running blouse piece. Very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart, trendy, elegant looks, based for your office wear, professional wear, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material with beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. And this one also beautiful elegant one, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful heavy weaving design. Let me open, very exclusive one, premium quality pure handloom charka cotton with weaving design, very nice one, traditional weaving pattern. This one is border portions, contrast color threaded weaving design border, very exclusive one, fully hand weaving design, soft, comfortable, elegant one. This one is base part, beautiful fine weaving design butta, fully hand weaving butta. And this one is beautiful traditional weaving border, pure handloom charka cotton. This one is full base part, beautiful one. This one is running blouse piece with border, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful traditional weaving design, stripes pattern weaving design, fine weaving design pallu, very exclusive one, beautiful heavy traditional hand weaving design, fully weaving work. This one is stripes pattern, very colorful elegant looks, hard work. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, elegant, exclusive, trendy looks. So very bright one, bright red shade with beautiful fine weaving design border, fully Banarasi weaving border, very exclusive one, premium quality pure handloom silk linen, bright red with beautiful golden zari weaving border design. This one is border, beautiful fine weaving design, Banarasi weaving design border. And this one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom silk linen. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari fine stripes with beautiful pom-pom design, very exclusive one. And this one is bright border, bright color with beautiful golden zari weaving design, Banarasi border, very exclusive one, premium quality pure handloom silk linen with golden zari weaving border, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece. This one is full base part and bright red one, silk linen material. And I will suggest this silk material sequin work contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This looks will be bright, beautiful one, very smart, bright, beautiful, gorgeous party looks. And this one also very bright elegant one, black base, premium quality pure handloom fine linen by linen with beautiful weaving design, black with mustard yellow contrast border, 1.5 inch border. And this one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving design Buddha, bright black base, mustard yellow border, 1.5 inch border. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, weaving butta design. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, mustard yellow shaded fine weaving stripes with beautiful weaving butta design, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And this one is full base part, beautiful weaving butta design, contrast border, very exclusive one, premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane with beautiful weaving butta, contrast mustard yellow border, very nice one, bright beautiful elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material with silver weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart trendy exclusive looks. This one also beautiful one, beautiful weaving design, premium quality pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane with beautiful Banarasi weaving border and pallu, very nice one. This one is full base part natural fabric lane by lane, and this one is border portions beautiful weaving design border, very exclusive one, soft lightweight comfortable premium quality pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane. This one is with beautiful weaving floral butta, and this one is full border portions beautiful weaving design, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari weaving stripes pallu, very nice one, temple weaving design highlighted stripes with temple weaving design pallu, full pallu, very exclusive one, elegant exclusive looks, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart trendy bright but elegant looks. Very beautiful color, beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom silk linen Banarasi parrot green shade with beautiful weaving design, golden zari weaving design border, very nice one, soft lightweight based for your elegant party looks, and bright also base is silk linen parrot green shade, and this one is beautiful fine weaving design, golden zari weaving design Banarasi border, very exclusive one, soft lightweight comfortable premium quality pure handloom silk linen, and this one is full base part is plain, and this one is pallu in beautiful golden zari stripes with beautiful pom-pom design pallu, very exclusive one, beautiful one. And this one is heavy weaving design border, very beautiful one, this one is beautiful golden zari weaving design border, very nice one, fine weaving design golden zari border, very bright beautiful exclusive party looks. And I will suggest this bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart bright beautiful elegant looks. And this one also very bright one, beautiful color, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk with beautiful hand weaving butta design. This one is full base part blue shade, bright blue shade, royal blue, and this one is golden zari border, and base is premium quality pure handloom cotton silk with beautiful hand weaving butta design, golden zari with contrast color weaving design butta, very exclusive one. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully contrast color golden zari with contrast color jamdani weaving design pallu, highlighted stripes lines, very exclusive one, beautiful pallu. And this one is full base part bright color golden zari border, and full base part is stripes pattern beautiful weaving design butta, very exclusive one, soft lightweight comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base, and this one is beautiful bright color based for your party wear also. And I will suggest this bouquet work bright synthetic material contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful exclusive looks, very bright one. This one also very elegant bright looks, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton with weaving design ikat contrast border. Let me open, very nice one, beautiful elegant looks. This one is full base part, and this one is border also very beautiful one, ikat border highlighted golden zari line silk material border. This one is silk material shiny border, this one is highlighted golden zari line stripes, and this one is ikat border, and full base part is beautiful hand weaving butta, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and full base part is beautiful butta, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, very nice one, soft lightweight comfortable peacock weaving contrast color peacock weaving border, pallu, very nice one, soft, comfortable. And I will suggest this brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree, bright brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful, smart, bright looks. This one also, very elegant party looks, premium quality, pure handloom silk, clean Banarasi, very elegant color combination, silver zari work, and base is beautiful color with silver zari buta. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom silk clean. This one is beautiful silver zari weaving border, and this one is full base part, fine silver zari weaving buta work, premium quality, pure handloom silk clean. And this one is pallu part, pallu also beautiful silver zari heavy weaving design work, Banarasi work, silk clean Banarasi, very exclusive one, beautiful heavy weaving design. This one is beautiful pom-pom design, pallu end. And this one is full base part, beautiful silver zari fine buta, and this one is heavy weaving Banarasi weaving design border, very nice one. This one is beautiful weaving design border, and this one is full base part, silver zari weaving floral buta, very exclusive one, beautiful weaving design. And this one is running blouse piece, very nice one. And I will suggest this brocade work bright contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, beautiful party looks, very elegant one. Also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane with golden and silver zari contrast weaving work, very nice one. One portion is golden zari border and one portion is silver zari border, and full border portions beautiful golden and silver zari contrast weaving design border. And this one is full base part, beautiful buta weaving golden and silver zari weaving design border, and this one is this one is buta golden and silver zari contrast, and this one is border portions, very beautiful one, golden zari border and beautiful golden and silver zari contrast weaving design border, very nice one, natural fabric, lane by lane, soft, comfortable, very elegant looks. This one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece contrast color, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, beautiful weaving design, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design, very nice one, soft, lightweight, beautiful weaving pattern, pallu, very nice one. And this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane. And I will suggest this brocade contrast blouse piece, very bright one, synthetic material, bright contrast blouse piece for your beautiful, bright, elegant looks. This one also very nice one, pure handloom cotton fabric, pure khadi cotton with beautiful weaving design, jamdani buta, and border also contrast color, highlighted golden zari lines with beautiful weaving design border, very nice one. This one is full base part, soft, comfortable, very elegant one, beautiful color, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton, and this one is silk material border, golden zari lines, highlighted lines, and this one is beautiful hand weaving jamdani work border, very exclusive one, ikat border, contrast silk material with ikat border, and full border portions, beautiful multicolor weaving jamdani buta, very smart, elegant, exclusive looks. This one is full base part, full border portions, beautiful jamdani work, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full pallu part, beautiful weaving design pallu, very nice one. This one is beautiful border, contrast color, golden zari lines, and this one is pallu, beautiful fine weaving design pallu, and this one is jamdani weaving design, very nice one, ikat border, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton, soft, comfortable, elegant, beautiful looks, and pallu in beautiful pom-pom design also. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, trendy, exclusive, beautiful looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is 9933421233. Keep browsing our website. There have many beautiful collections. You can make online order through our website also. All over India, you have free shipping, cash on delivery. Very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab with beautiful ikat pattern design. Very nice one, very elegant looks. Base is pure white with ikat design, and this one is border portion silver with contrast black stripes line, highlighted stripes lines border, and this one is full base part premium quality pure handloom cotton slab with beautiful ikat design, based for your office wear. Very elegant looks. This one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color ikat pallu. This one is full pallu part. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is beautiful pallu, and this one is full base part. Full base part is pure white with ikat pattern, and this one is highlighted silver and contrast black stripes border, and this one is running blouse piece, same body setted, and this one is full base part. Very beautiful, elegant, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, trendy, exclusive, outstanding daily looks. This one also very beautiful one, silk clean Banarasi, very elegant looks, beautiful color combination, silver zari work, base is silk clean with Banarasi weaving border, and full base part is beautiful buta, floral buta also. This one is full base part premium quality pure handloom silk lane, and this one is border silver zari weaving design border. Very nice one, fine weaving design, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully Banarasi weaving work, silver zari Banarasi weaving work, heavy work. Very nice one. And this one is pallu and beautiful pom pom design, and this one is full base part beautiful work, heavy Banarasi silver zari weaving wide border, and this one is full base part weaving buta, and this one is beautiful fine weaving design, silver zari weaving design border portion is very nice one. And this one is running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece. Very beautiful, elegant, smart looks. And I will suggest this bouquet work, heavy weaving bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, beautiful, exclusive, elegant party looks. Very beautiful one. Also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane with beautiful stripes pattern, contrast piping, blue piping with beautiful stripes design, highlighted stripes, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, beautiful multicolor elegant stripes with highlighted silver zari stripes lines, very exclusive one. And this one is piping, contrast color piping. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane, very elegant, exclusive looks. And this one is full base part stripes pattern, smart stripes with highlighted silver zari lines, and this one is contrast color running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, full pallu silver zari patch pallu, very nice one. This one is pallu part, fully silver zari, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece for this saree for your smart, bright, elegant looks. This one also very beautiful one, magenta pink set with silver zari work, very exclusive one, premium quality pure handloom silk clean Banarasi silver zari work, fully Banarasi work, very nice one. This one is full base part silver zari weaving buta design, and this one is border portions fine weaving design border, silver zari weaving border, and this one is beautiful floral buta, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully silver zari Banarasi weaving design pallu, and this one is pallu in beautiful pom pom design, and this one is beautiful border, heavy weaving Banarasi weaving design wide border. This one is border portions fully Banarasi weaving design, white border, very nice one, silver zari work, very elegant looks, also bright beautiful party wear. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece but very exclusive one, magenta pink set with Banarasi weaving work, silk rayon material. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright beautiful looks. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, pure handloom natural fabric, lian by lian, beautiful bottle green shade and golden zari border, contrast pink piping. And this one is full base but beautiful golden zari weaving buta work, fully hand weaving buta, highlighted contrast color pink shaded buta, very nice one, exclusive looks. And this one is pallu, but pallu also beautiful one, golden zari patch with buta work, very smart looks, pure handloom natural fabric, lian by lian, very beautiful elegant looks, soft lightweight comfortable pure handloom natural fabric, lian by lian with jamdani buta. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day. Thank you so much.